So if you have not organized your contacts, then you'll want to do that first before you go any further. So with this link, the exercise one link, you're going to go through each of these steps. Each one of these is a page that walks you through how to gather all of your contacts, get them all in one place, and then the file that you will need to use, the template, is this one here, the CSV contact. So once you've gathered all of your contacts, you're going to click on this link and pull up this template and download it here. Direct download. And then just rename it real estate contacts and leads or whatever you want to say. Save it. And then you're going to open it up and actually put in your contacts. Now, even if you have a list of contacts, you still have to put it in this way because they want a very specific format that you have to follow so that it imports correctly. So I'm going to put my name, and then I'm going to put my phone number, which is 719-231-9290, and then I'm going to put the work phone, which is the office number, and then my email is remax.net. And you can put the address in here if you have it. You probably should. These tags are going to be like categories. So this could be a colleague section, or if you have a group that you guys meet in, like you can put BNI here. You can also put, soccer club is where you guys met. All these little triggers that are going to help you stay organized. So like if you want to send only the people in the soccer club an email or a newsletter that is specific and tailored, then this is why this would be relevant. And then if you know their birthday, wedding, anniversaries, again, so that you can send them a birthday card or an anniversary email, and then other important dates that you might know. The home anniversary, like the day that they bought their home, is a good one for that too. So you'll save this. So now you're ready to import the file. So you go to your Booj tab in Remax, and your login should be your Remax email and your password. You should have gotten a welcome email to get all that set up. So in here to the left, you're going to go to contacts and leads and then add and import your import list. And then this previous system, if it came from one of these they have pre-made templates. So if you have any of these, but you probably don't if you're new, so just go ahead and select a file to upload it, first name, what information you want to pull over, just kind of clean it up if it's messed up, then just see how the categories came in here, just hit import.
Now you can see over here to the right where the tags and the categories came in. So that's it. That's all you have to do for that.